With property prices in major European cities continuing to climb, more and more people are starting to ask, is there still anywhere on this continent where an ordinary person's savings can actually buy a real home, not a cramped apartment on the outskirts, but a proper house with space, room to breathe, and a real life to live? The answer is yes. And today, I'm walking you through 4 properties in Italy, from the wine-covered hills of Monferrato and Piemonte, down to the Tyrrhenian coast of Calabria, into the historic heart of Molise, and up to the highlands of Alto Molise, with prices ranging from 30,000 to 48,000 euros. One comes in at around just 150 euros per square meter. One sits inside a resort complex with a swimming pool just 500 meters from the beach, and one is move-in ready and comes with 4,000 square meters of garden land included. But I want to be straight with you. The listing price is just the starting point. In this video, we're not stopping at the number on the listing sheet. We're going to look at the real location of each property, the actual condition of the house, and the daily amenities nearby, from supermarkets and pharmacies to schools and the nearest hospital. We'll also look at connectivity. How far is the airport? Is there a train station? How accessible are the main roads? And just as importantly, the real cost of ownership, including taxes, notary fees, and the additional expenses that a lot of people overlook when they see a low asking price. This channel is completely free, and we don't take commissions from any agents or sellers. Our only goal is to give you honest information so you can make your own informed decision. So if you find this content useful, a like and a subscribe is the simplest way to help us keep going. All right, let's get into it. Out of these 4, let's see where your money can go the furthest. Our first property today takes us to Piemonte, northern Italy, a region many people know through bottles of Barolo or Barbera, through those rolling green hills that UNESCO recognized as a World Heritage landscape. More specifically, this property is in Camagna Monferrato, a small town in the province of Alessandria, sitting right in the heart of the Monferrato wine hills, where every country lane can lead you through vineyards stretching all the way to the horizon. Listed at 36,000 euros. A 4-story detached house, total built area around 240 square meters, 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. That works out to roughly 150 euros per square meter, a notably low number even by small-town Piemonte standards. Built in 1900, natural gas heating, and the listing states the condition as needing renovation. On the layout, the house is divided clearly across 4 vertical levels. The basement has an Infernote-style wine cellar, a characteristic architectural feature of the Monferrato region, traditionally used for wine storage, along with a storage room and a tavern-style space. Ground floor has a kitchen, dining room, living room, 1 bedroom, a small bathroom, a large garage, and a central staircase. First floor has 3 bedrooms and a wide terrace. At the top is a mansard attic with windows and a partially usable space. The property also comes with around 500 square meters of adjoining land and, according to the listing description, an additional roughly 3,500 square meters of agricultural land nearby, an estimated total of around 4,000 square meters of land altogether. On the actual condition, the key thing to flag is that the water, electricity, and gas systems are currently disconnected and need to be restored. With a 4-story building from 1,900 attic and Infernote included before any deposit goes down, a local geometra should inspect the structure, roof, damp levels, and all the technical systems. For daily life, the center of Camagna Monferrato has a grocery shop, pharmacy, and restaurant all within the town. The nearest hospital is Ospedale Santo Spirito in Casale Monferrato, about 15 kilometers by road. There's a bus connecting Camagna to Casale Monferrato with a journey time of around 32 minutes, running Monday to Saturday. On the local price picture, according to data referenced in the listing, the average asking price in Camagna Monferrato sits around 430 to 451 euros per square meter, while the Alessandria province average is around 797 euros. This one is listed at 150 euros, significantly below both benchmarks. But a gap that large comes with a clear reason. The house needs renovation, utilities are disconnected, and the restoration costs could be substantial. This property suits a buyer with a long-term vision, ready to invest time and a real renovation budget, and drawn to the story of a large home in the middle of a UNESCO heritage wine landscape, where the potential for a B&B, a rural guest house, or simply a place to slow down and live differently are all directions worth considering, as long as the legal framework allows and the numbers are worked out carefully. Our second property takes us away from the northern wine hills and down to southern Italy, specifically Scalea, a coastal town in the province of Cosenza, Calabria. Scalea sits on the Tyrrhenian coast along a stretch known as the Riviera dei Cedri, one of those sections of Italian coastline that doesn't get the same attention as Amalfi or Cinque Terre, but is held onto its natural character and remains significantly more affordable. That's the setting for today's second property, listed at €48,000. A two-bedroom apartment, 55 square meters, on the second floor, also the top floor of the block, fully renovated and move-in ready, comes furnished. That works out to around €873 per square meter below the Scalea asking price. Average recorded in the data, which runs from roughly €1,029 to €1,096 per square meter, depending on the source. On the layout, the apartment has a spacious open-plan living and kitchen area, plus a balcony with sea views. That's the headline feature here. Two separate bedrooms, one of which also has a balcony, this one looking out toward the mountains. The bathroom has a shower and a window for ventilation. There's a sun awning and, according to the listing, a parking space within the complex. What sets this property apart from the others in today's list is that it sits inside a resort complex with a full range of shared facilities: swimming pool, water slides, restaurant, gym, and parking. That creates a completely different story. You're not just buying an apartment, you're buying into a ready-made holiday infrastructure. That said, the listing doesn't disclose the monthly condominium fees, and that's a number the buyer needs to ask the agent directly before making any decision. On daily amenities, given this is a well-equipped coastal resort town, the essentials are all there and easy to access. Supermarkets, pharmacies, everything you need for day-to-day life is readily available in Scalea. On connections and surrounding value, the beach at Scalea is about 500 meters from the complex. Nearby is the Isola Pedonale, the pedestrian seafront strip, and a bit further out, Torre Telao, a historic watchtower overlooking the sea. Arco Magno, one of the most beautiful beaches in all of Calabria, is about 5.6 kilometers away. The nearest airport, Lamezia Terme, is around 108 kilometers by road according to the listing. At €48,000 for a fully furnished apartment with sea views inside a pool complex in a Calabrian beach town, this is worth serious consideration for anyone looking for a summer retreat in Italy or exploring seasonal rental potential, as long as the condominium fees and complex regulations are clearly confirmed up front. Our third property takes us deeper into the Italian interior to Molise, one of the least talked about regions on the European travel map, but one that's quietly drawing attention from people looking for a genuinely slower pace of life at a price that actually makes sense. Specifically, this property is in Castelmauro, a hilltop town in the province of Campobasso, sitting at around 692 meters above sea level. The landscape around it is green hills, oak forests, and that particular quiet that defines rural central Italy, a world away from the noise of coastal cities or major tourist centers, listed at €33,000. A stone house, 113 square meters, right in the historic center of Castelmauro. 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, central heating system, and a cellar below. What makes this one stand out is that it's already habitable. The roof is noted as being in good condition and utilities are connected. No major renovation required. That works out to around €292 per square meter. On the layout, the ground floor has a kitchen of around 14 square meters with a working fireplace, a detail very characteristic of older stone houses in the Italian hills, and one that gives the space a warmth and character you don't get from a modern kitchen. Next to it is a combined living and dining room of over 18 square meters and a bedroom with a French balcony overlooking the historic center, a view that's genuinely hard to find at this price. Up in the attic floor, there are 3 more rooms ranging from 18 to 21 square meters each, plus a bathroom with a bathtub. The attic rooms are currently empty and can be converted into additional bedrooms as needed. On condition, the one thing to keep in mind is that this is still an older stone house with an energy rating of G, so heating costs in winter at nearly 700 meters above sea level will likely run higher than a modern build. Before signing anything, get a local geometra to check the central heating system, fireplace flue, cellar, and wall damp levels. On daily life, Castelmauro has the essential amenities within walking distance, supermarket, pharmacy, and the other everyday services you need covered right in town. On connections and surrounding value, 2 points worth highlighting. The Adriatic coast at Termoli is about 43 kilometers by road, a town with both a medieval old quarter and a beach, making it a very viable weekend destination. Lake Gardialfiera, also known as Lago del Liscione, is a large reservoir in the Molise countryside, sitting near a historic borgo that looks directly down over the water, a beautiful natural setting for anyone who values quiet scenery. The nearest airports, according to the listing data, are Pescara at around 79 kilometers and Foggia at roughly 82 kilometers. On the market pricing, according to Immobiliar.it data from April 2026, the average price in Castelmauro is around €316 per square meter, against the Campobasso province average of €1,133 per square meter from the same source. The gap is over 74%. That's a significant number, especially given that the listing describes this as habitable and not requiring major renovation. This one suits someone who genuinely wants to own a real stone house in an Italian historic center, complete with a working fireplace, cellar, central heating, and generous living space, all at a price that would be almost impossible to find anywhere else in Europe with a comparable quality of life around it. Our fourth and final property today keeps us in Molise, but this time we move to the province of Isernia, specifically Poggio Sannita, a small municipality in the area known as Alto Molise. This is inland highland country near the Abruzzo border, sitting at around 700 meters above sea level, with a community of about 800 residents according to the listing description. The surroundings are hills, forests, agricultural land, and the clean air of rural central Italy, a living context that's very different from the other 3 properties today, and probably the best fit for anyone genuinely looking for a place to step away from urban life completely. Listed at €30,000, the lowest price in today's entire lineup. It's a Casale, a rural farmhouse, with a total area of 100 square meters across 2 floors. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a good bathroom to bedroom ratio for this price point. Condition is described as good and ready to hand over at signing. Heating runs on a wood-fired radiator system, a wood-burning stove connected to a whole house hot water heating network, a common solution in high-altitude rural Italy. Old-fashioned, but genuinely characterful. That works out to around €300 per square meter. On the layout, the property has an open kitchen flowing directly into the living room. That open plan setup makes the space feel larger than the floor area suggests. There's a fireplace, balcony, terrace, and private garden features that at €30,000 are genuinely rare to find all together in one property. Beyond that, there's a cellar, a storage room, and a warehouse taken together. That's a farmhouse with serious supporting space for a rural lifestyle. The listing also notes the property comes partially furnished. The exact land and garden area isn't specified in the listing, so that's something the buyer needs to ask the agent at Galasso Immobiliare directly. On daily life, being right in the town means the everyday essentials are within easy reach. Supermarket, school, medical services, transport, all there without needing to travel far. On-market pricing. According to Immobilier.it data from April 2026 and Real Advisor from June 2026, the average house price in Poggio Sannita ranges from around 348 to 523 euros per square meter, depending on the source and property type. This one is listed at 300 euros, roughly 14 to 43% below those reference points. Against the Isernia province, average of around 657 euros per square meter on Immobilier.it, the gap stretches to over 54%. That said, the land area hasn't been disclosed and the energy rating isn't complete. Both of those need to be clarified before you can fully assess the real value here. At 30,000 euros for a farmhouse, with a private garden, attached land, fireplace, terrace, 2 bathrooms, and ready to hand over. This is a serious option for anyone who wants a genuine retreat in the Alto Molise Highlands, where slow living isn't just a concept, but simply the way things are every day. And that's all 4 properties in today's lineup. 4 different stories, 4 different ways of living, but all sharing one thing in common: an entry price significantly below the local average. In parts of Italy that have held on to a slower pace of life, real space, and genuine affordability. From the UNESCO-recognized wine hills of Monferrato in Piemonte, down to the Tyrrhenian coast of Calabria, into the historic center of Castelmauro, and up to the Alto Molise Highlands, each property has its own story and suits a different kind of buyer. None of them are perfect, and I think you already know that. But with the right information, proper preparation, and an on-the-ground visit, opportunities like these can absolutely become the starting point for a life that a lot of people are still only dreaming about. As always, all the original listing links for today's properties are in the description below. All information on prices, distances, and property condition is based on data from listing platforms and market sources at the time we made this video. And as you know, the property market moves constantly, so always verify everything before making any decision. This channel is completely free and we don't take commissions from any agents or sellers. If today's video gave you a useful perspective, whether you're actively looking to buy or simply curious about the European property market, a like and a subscribe helps us keep going. Every bit of engagement from you is the reason we keep digging, keep searching, and keep putting these lists together. See you in the next one.